Hello everyone. I hope you all are great and taking good care of your children. This is Dr. Sarita Tripathi. Today I am going to talk how you can develop reading habits among your children. And in this special episode, I am going to talk about the children. What are the benefits of the children, those who read books, and what are the disadvantages in future the children, those who don't read books, are going to face. And then I will tell how parents can develop the reading skill among their children. The children, those who read books, their vocabulary, their imagination power, their thought process is entirely different from the children, those who don't read books. Reading book sitting at one place, they can travel across the world. They don't have to go anywhere. While reading, they can acquire immense knowledge. And the children, those who don't read book, they do not perform well in their studies. Right? So, how you can develop reading skill among your children? Parents, I remember when we were small, we used to travel in the train. At that time, we used to carry a lot of comic books and story books with us, like Chanda Mama, Champak, Chacha Chaudhary, Vikram Vetal, and lot many stories we used to study about Tenali Rama. And we used to even exchange our books with them, with each other. And everybody sitting used to read books. But I think most of them don't read, most of them are not reading books. Why? Because the electronic gadgets has replaced the reading habits. All are having mobiles in their hands. तो what happens? क्या होता है? बच्चे जो देखते हैं वही सीखते हैं. If the elders or the parents will not read the books, how can we think that even the children will develop these habits of reading? So, जैसे कि एक पार्ट हमारा डे में होता है पेरेंट्स की, हम जो कभी मिस नहीं करते. हम पूरे दिन में अपने बच्चों से बार बार पूछते हैं, बेटा आपने खाना खाया, आपने खाना खाया. Because we know why food is very essential for body, for brain. In the same way, अगर हम अपने बच्चों से ये पूछें, बेटा आज आपने रीड किया, आज आपने कौन सी स्टोरी पढ़ी, आपने उस स्टोरी से क्या सीखा? Because books are also like a food for the brain. So, reading skill is very, very important. If the parents want that their child should perform well or enhance their academic growth, the children should read books because it increases or enhances your vocabulary. I still remember when we were in school, our teachers always used to say, when you're sitting with books और जब भी आप study करने बैठ रहे हैं, that time you refer dictionary. So you will not have to hunt for words, for meanings. And we used to do lot of reading that time. But in today's era, children are not interested in reading. So now how to make them read? Why don't we do one day, we fix up a day in a week. See, we go for shopping. The children goes for shopping to buy toys of their interest, of their choice. So one day we will fix up a day that we will go for book shopping. We'll tell our children in the evening, okay, beta, come on, let's go for shopping books. You can go along with them. You go to a bookshop and ask them to pick any book, story book of their choice. And especially the small children, buy for them the books which has a lot of pictures in that, because they understand more by looking at those pictures in that books. And try to make that moment very exciting by saying that, okay, come on, today we will go home and read this book, read this story. And then go home, finish all your work and sit with your child and you read out the story. And ask your child also to read and listen carefully. And then discuss about that story or tell the meaning of the words which is used in the story. And this is how your children will listen and start reading. That is how to create interest. That is very important among children. Even teachers can do this. They can include in their curriculum, for example, in English, in Hindi, in science, in geography, history, any subject. Because what happens if you teach that particular lesson or any topic in a form of story, तो क्या होता है, बच्चों को वो चीज़ याद रहती है लाइफ टाइम. But if you just read out and tell them to write question answers or solve the exercise, what happens when they go to the next class? They forget what they studied in the previous class. But अगर इसको एक स्टोरी वे में वो लेसन को और that particular topic, if they are taught in a story, in the form of story, they will always remember. What happens कि sometimes बच्चे बोलते हैं, मामा the answers are very long, 7-8 lines, हम कैसे याद करें? वो क्यों नहीं याद कर पाते हैं? क्योंकि उन्हें उस सब्जेक्ट में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. बट अगर वही टॉपिक उन्हें स्टोरी बेस्ड में समझाया जाए तो आई एम श्योर दे विल डेफिनेटली learn the lesson very well and they will always remember. It will be there in their memory. So parents, why don't you do one thing कि आप लोग वीक में कोई भी 2 या 3 दिन सेलेक्ट करें. उस समय एटलीस्ट फॉर एन आवर आप द होल फैमिली मेम्बर, जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं फैमिली, all will sit down all together and read one by one. One para, father will read, then mother or anybody. इस तरह से सब लोग उस पैराग्राफ वाइज पैराग्राफ स्टोरी को पढ़ेंगे. And then after that you will discuss कि what was the story, what we learned from that story. हमें उस स्टोरी से क्या शिक्षा मिली. And what happened when all are sitting at one platform and all are listening and reading, definitely the children will look at you and he will also develop this habit of reading. In the same way, even teachers, as I told you, can ask the children in the class and make the children to read one para and through enactment also. It's very simple for the children to memorize that lesson. So parents, you can try this and I'm sure the children will definitely develop this habit of reading, because reading skill is very, very important. Okay, thank you.